Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. Going to tell you about best free video editor and video maker for YouTubers and vloggers. It's the best video editor with different options like video edit, video trim, compress, add music to video, fast and slow motion, reverse video editor, add sticker, add text, filters and effects, save and share video in HD without any watermark. So let's start with the video and see how it works. Open Google Play Store on your mobile. Search the app Video Editor for YouTube Music by Movie Maker. Install this app. Here are the details of this app: Video Editor and Movie Maker for Android, free with Vlog Music. Details of the app mention the features of video editor that can be used to make your video better. App is installed now. Open it. Select the video you want to edit. Click on edit. Video selected. You can remove the watermark by watching ad. Close the ad. You can change the canvas of the video. Different options available. Change the color. Edit. Adjust, reverse, filters, crop, rotate. Adjust the lightness, contrast, saturation, exposure, white balance. Trim, change the speed, copy. Other options. Add stickers to your video. Different options are available. You can choose anyone. Social stickers. Add effects. Add text. Write anything on the video. Select OK. Change the color. Text color. Add shadow. Add borders. Change the font. Change the size. Alignment. Add music. Adjust filters. Change the canvas color again into black. Save from here. Export. Video is created. Here it's shown without any watermark. So you see how this video editor helps you to create awesome videos for YouTube or vlogging. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.